Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Cucina Magica Mini Fridge with Freezer, 3.2 cubic feet small refrigerator, 7 adjustable thermostat. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Convenient and compact refrigerator. The 3.2 cubic feet refrigerator measures 13.54 x 15.94 x 27.48 inch and can be placed anywhere. With 2.36 cubic feet of cold storage space and 0.84 cubic feet of freezer space, it is your perfect life companion, suitable for families, apartments, dorm offices. Quiet and energy saving. The daily operating consumption of the refrigerator is as low as 0.5 kWh per day, and the R600 refrigerant reduces energy consumption. And the sound during operation is less than 40 decibels, which will not disturb you. 7 adjustable temperatures. The refrigerator has a built-in adjustable temperature knob to control the temperature you need, 32 to 41 Fahrenheit, as you need it. And the freezer compartment offers a temperature of 6.8 Fahrenheit for quick freezing storage of ice cubes, ice cream and other foods. Reversible door and LED light. The mini fridge has a reversible door design that adjusts the direction of the refrigerator door according to your needs. And the refrigerator is equipped with LED lights so that you can see the food or drink inside at night. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.